the incredible channel, Biology. It presents how to trim lucky bamboo plants. When you think about lucky bamboo plants, you probably picture a small bamboo plant growing in a container. While this is usually the case, lucky bamboo plants can grow up to 5 feet 5 m tall, and the leaves can reach 7 inches 18 cm long. Fortunately, you can prune lucky bamboo whenever you like and even save the cuttings to start a whole new plant.
Method 1. Lucky bamboo pruning. 1. Disinfect pruning shears before you start trimming the plant. Lucky bamboo plants are hardy, but they can become infected if you don't clean the shears before trimming. Fortunately, it only takes a minute. Take your clean garden shears and dip a cloth in 70 to 100% alcohol like isopropyl alcohol. Wipe it across both sides of the blades and you're all set. Don't have pruning shears. Regular scissors are totally fine as long as you disinfect them. To make it even easier to disinfect, keep a few packets of alcohol wipes near your garden supplies. 2. Cut off leaves that have yellowed tips. The ends of the leaves can turn yellow if the plant's not getting enough water or it's getting too much sunlight. Instead of yanking the leaves off, take disinfected shears or scissors and cut the leaves off where they meet the stalk. It's really important to cut the entire leaf instead of just the yellow part. This is because partially trimming the leaf can introduce bacteria and make your plant sick. Don't forget to address the cause of the yellow leaves. Always keep 4 inches (10 centimeters) of fresh water in the container and put it in indirect light. 3. Pull away dead leaves as the plant grows. It's easy to panic if you notice dead, dry leaves on your plant, but don't worry. Dying leaves are normal because the old leaves die off as new growth comes in. If the plant is putting out healthy growth, the leaves simply dry up, so you can pull them down and off of the stalk. Your plant will look better and put more energy towards growth once you trim the dead leaves. 4. Cut straight across the top of your plant if you want to shorten the lucky bamboo. Topping just means that you cut off the leaves and top of the stalk. It also encourages the bottom of the plant to put out new shoots and leaves, so topping is a good idea if you want the plant to fill out. To top your plant, take disinfected shears and cut straight across the top. It's totally up to you how much you want to cut off. Cutting the stalk stops it from growing, but it will send up shoots right below the cut you made. Want to give your lucky bamboo a slight trim? You don't have to cut off the top of the stalk. Just cut off the leaves from the top of the plant instead. 5. Trim off shoots that look straggly. Lucky bamboo puts on leafy shoots from the main stalk as it grows. If your plant is looking too bushy for your liking or the offshoots are growing crookedly, clip off the shoot 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5.1 centimeters, from the main stalk. Don't want the offshoots to grow back? No problem. Just cut the offshoot where it meets the main stalk. 6. Throw away stalks that are brown or mushy. Although lucky bamboo plants are easy to grow, they can start to rot if you forget to change their water. If this does happen, work fast. Take out any stalks that are brown, black, or squishy since you can't nurse them back to health and they could make other stalks sick. If the stalks aren't too bad yet and you think you can heal them, cut off yellow parts and stick the stalks into a separate container with fresh water.